This is where your story ends. You were young and full of life, but death tore us apart. This is where your story ends. Although you're gone forever, you'll always be here in our heart. You were so brave, you never showed your stress, trying to beat this terrible illness. You stood your ground, but not for long.